Hello, my natural diamonds. I'm here to give you an update on my 30-day hair growth challenge after I dyed my hair. How much did I get? Let's see. This is the starting point, May 1st, 2019. This is what it looks like after I dyed it. In 7 days, I was starting to see a little bit of sprout. Here's a live view of what it looks like. Very little, but it's getting there. In 14 days, I'm finally starting to see something here. Live view. I'm pointing to the little bit that grew. In 21 days, this is how much I got. Starting to take off. Here's a live view. In 31 days, this is how much I got for the entire month. I washed my hair every other day and I greased it every other day. Here's me showing you what it looked like at the end of the month. I wish I could have got a closer view, but that's why I took the pictures, so you can see for yourself. I'm gonna make a few parts here for you. Now, I want you to notice my edges. They didn't grow that much, but the top where my forehead is, it grew right there. Now, I believe it's because I didn't apply the hair mixture there that I made. That's why I didn't get the growth that the rest of my scalp got. Right here, I'm going to show you some lymph checks. This is on the right side. This is armpit length. To the next side. And before I cut my hair, it was bra strap length. I'm trying to get it back past bra strap length. And I cut my hair last summer. And this is how I wore my hair for the entire month. I wore it up in a puff. And all I did was I greased my scalp every other day, washed it once a week. And I spritzed it with water and put a little Uncle Funky Daughter's gel on it. It's not really protective style, but it worked for me. And as you can see, I have several different colors in my hair as well, but I don't mind. Right here, I'm trying to get my hair pulled to the side so I can give you a back length check. Trying to smooth out my ends. So that I will be able to grab it from the back. Now that I've grabbed it, I'm going to turn around and let you see. Step forward so that you can see where my hair is at, and it's right at bra strap length. And that's my bra. That's what I got. Thumbs up this video if you liked it. If you want to see me make the hair mixture, let me know. I will make a video on it. and you can join me in this journey that I'm on. Here's some pictures that I took while I was wearing my hair up. And as this video comes to the end, you can see these styles as they appear. Thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all. Hit that subscribe button and the bell button, and I'll be back in 2 months this time. 2-month update.